So Wu told Tommy to get over to his office right away, and then he sent him to the Mideast. And he got that story from the military base in the Mideast, where the Shah of Saudi Arabia used to like to ride his, or was at that time, riding his camel up to the bar and drinking that Corona until the point that they literally had to take the reins out of his hands on his way back to the palace. And so Tommy told him, come with me, and took the camel that had the exact same sneeze as the Shah and back to America. The rest, is on the news.